Hi, this is Chandraman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you about the strategic planning. At this end of this video, you will be able to learn what is strategic planning, benefits of strategic planning, and points while planning strategically. What is strategic planning? It is an organization process of defining its strategy or direction of making the decisions and allocating resources for achieving the organization vision and mission. It may also extend the control mechanism for guiding the implementation of strategy. It is always important to create a strategic plan because your future success is always depends upon the strategic planning. Benefits of strategic planning are it helps in setting the priorities, focus on energy and resource allocating. It provides the sense of direction for achieving the organization vision and mission. It also ensures that employees and other stakeholders, all the people who are working in the organization, working towards a common goal. It helps in guiding day-to-day decisions and also for evaluating the current state and progress and changing approach towards moving forward to the organization goal. There are 6 points which need to be remembered while planning in a strategic way. First point, which is study the current state. That means study the current state of the business in which they operate. Second point, envision the ideal future state. That is where we would like to be in 5 or 3 years as an organization. Third point, plan the path. That is how we will get from here to there. Fourth point, it should be the priority of the top management. It is important that senior management should actively engage in this process for strategic planning and success. Last point, which is it should create a line of sight from strategic to a tactical operation activities. It does not mean that lowest level of the organization should understand the strategic plan. It means there are action plans that are traceable to a strategic plan of the organization. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updates.